Zach is not here this weekend. I have girls weekend. Just filmed 2 ads. So if you see them, make sure to like, comment, share. But yeah, I've just been filming ads, and then I have a really fun weekend planned. Do you guys want to hear about it? What I'm gonna do is chill, edit those 2 ads that I just filmed. I'm gonna literally sit right there and do that. And then I'm going to go to Whole Foods. So I'm hosting my girlfriends tonight for like a little sushi movie night, which is nice because like I don't know. I am gonna go get like hydrangeas, like some nice flowers for the apartment, maybe a bottle of wine. I did not know what a good appetizer for for sushi is. Like, I like to have something like here when people get here. What do you do before sushi? I don't know. I actually don't know. So I think I might just order sushi, some miso soups, some edamame, whatever. And then I think at Whole Foods, I'm going to get like a dessert. So I'll like get some little cookies to make if like that's like cute. And then tomorrow we have a whole day. I'm gonna tell you what we're doing and then you'll see because I'm gonna film it. So tomorrow we have a workout in the morning. Then we're going to Soho House to sit by the pool, tan, chill, so excited. Then maybe we're gonna go shopping. Then we have drinks at the Faina at probably like 6:30, and then we have dinner at like the members club I'm a part of, Chez Margot, at 8. So I'm super excited. So that's kind of my plan for tomorrow. Again, Zach is gone, and like it's nice, like he's having his guy time. I can have the girls in the apartment. That's the only thing with having a 2-bedroom. Like sometimes it would be nice to have a little more space, because obviously I can have my friends over whenever, but like he gets home from work, like, you know, there's lots of things going on. We're doing that tonight, and then Sunday I might go to New Jersey for Father's Day to hang out with him, with his family, because mine's obviously in North Carolina. We're seeing them next weekend, which I don't think I'm gonna film and just like be present with family. But yeah, also how cute is this top? It's from With Jean, and it's just been hanging in my closet and I've never worn it, and it's kind of gorgeous. So the things you will find in your own closet are crazy. But anyway, I'll bring you guys with me when I go to Whole Foods. I really wanted hydrangeas, but then I saw these peonies. I was like, these are so gorgeous, especially for a little girls' weekend. So we went with these. Okay, guys, this is like a mini apartment tour because it's so clean right now. This is our living room, and I'm just obsessed. It's so cozy and homey. I still might want a new bar situation area and maybe a new coffee table. Need some coffee table books. For the most part, it's really coming together. And then the bedroom, like literally don't even look. Like it's clean, but like we need storage for this. New bench. We just got this big cabinet, which I love. It's like so much extra storage, which we needed. And I don't even want to show any of this. That's just like a sneak peek because we're redoing all of this. But yeah, I love it. And I just love when it's clean. It makes me so happy. Also, my sister, I just called her, she had a genius idea because I was like, what kind of apps do you do for a sushi night? She was like, do little bar snacks. Like do popcorn, nuts, olives. I was like, that is literally such a good idea. She got me this for my birthday from CB2. So I feel like this is like the perfect little serving dish. So I'm gonna do that. And Sarah texted she's coming at like 7:30 now, which I'm honestly happy. What time is it? It's about to turn 7. Oh. Like perfect timing. I'm just gonna get these set up and then I'm gonna order a bunch of sushi. So it's here when she gets here. Alyssa is coming after dinner, I believe. And then my other friend, her flight got delayed. So it's kind of just Sarah and I. But honestly, a vibe, and I just love her. So I'm excited to hang out with her. So pretty. These are really cool. Oh no. There's so many leaves in here, you guys. That looked like a legit forest. Like what was going on? Oh, you're supposed to do that? I have no idea. I think as someone who lives in New York, you're not in your hosting era quite yet. It's good practice. I think they open up, okay? Before any comments are made, like I think they slowly open up. But it's a cute pop of color. Okay, I'm trying my best. Trying my best. been a hot mess. This morning I had to prepare my clothing donations. I had to pack a bag for today. I had to shower. There were so many things that happened this morning. I'm wearing this cute little Joa Brown set and I'm so pale. I need to get a tan today. Please say a prayer for me that I will. But we're doing the 11 o'clock Pilates and then going to Soho House in Brooklyn to lay out by the pool. Bless it. Can't wait. I think I'm just gonna do a black cold brew. Wait, what's that? Oh, orange. Okay, off to the subway. We just got literally the most amazing truffle fries. They are so crispy and they're like skinny. How insane. Yeah, we all got a Caesar salad and a side of truffle fries. Like that's a vibe right there. And it's 85 degrees, UV of 9. We're on these gorgeous little chairs. Girls die. I am literally in heaven right now. I really would love to join here, but I already am a member with different members club and this one is like double the price. But seriously, I'm so happy right now. These Caesar salad and truffle fries. So good, so good. I did let my hair air dry, so I need to go home and blow it out before we go to dinner, but it's looking a little crazy. But I do love my extensions because they air dry kind of crimped. It at least gives you like a little bit of style, but anyway. Fun fact, my most viewed video ever was like 6 years ago and it was my hair tutorial. Like I honestly stopped posting YouTube in the past couple of years. But when I first started, I did a hair curling tutorial. I don't know how many views it has. This happened recently when I was trying to put up shelves and now I have a little paint peel. I want to get ready with you guys, but I also really want to listen to music, so I'll be back. Guys, I went with this little cheetah dress and my little black verified bag that I love so much. I feel like I always use this bag. It's like the best going out bag, but it's like a little, it has a little something to it. So I love her. She's literally perfect. She's one of my Revolve favorites, but this is the outfit of the night. We are going to dinner at Chez Margot a little bit later. It's like an 8 p.m. dinner. It's actually perfect. I love an 8 p.m. dinner. It's not too early and it's not too late. It is the best. But guys, I seriously had the best day. You couldn't really film at Soho House because I didn't want to get anyone in it. Sometimes the members clubs are like weird about that. But the Pilates to pool to Caesar salads by the pool to home shower, TikTok on the couch, going back out. That is my dream day. If anyone wants to know what my dream day is, it would be that. It would be that. So vibes are high. And I do miss Zach, but absence really makes the heart grow fonder. Hopefully he comes home tomorrow. He said he's gonna come home Sunday or Monday, and I'm like, can we do Sunday? But yeah, I'm so excited for tonight. They have really good food here too. I'm honestly not starving. I'm definitely craving a dirty martini. Not to be that girl, like basic New York, but like, that's kind of what I'm in the mood for. But anyway, this is the outfit. I'm sure I'll post a reel in it if you know me. Or you can comment for the link. Like, that's probably what's gonna happen. But anyway, so excited to see the girls. Guys, I am doing something a little bit impulsive today. I just feel like I have been really posting some ads, working hard. I've grown so much this year. And I really, in honor of my fun girls weekend, I am going to go to Hermes and get the Oran sandal because I want it. And I do want to start a relationship at Hermes because hopefully years I could get myself a little something. But I just like really have always wanted them. I love how all the girls in Europe wear them like in fun colors. Like I might get like a red, like I have no idea, I might get a fun color, but I'm gonna go into the meatpacking store and see what I can get. Obviously had to dress the part. When have you ever seen me dress like this? This is the new me, okay? Goes to Hermes once and suddenly is like the chic aesthetic. But yeah, I'm gonna go meet my friends in Soho first. My friend Sarah might be getting herself a little treat. We're really bad influences on each other, to be quite honest. Like Sarah and I should not go to dinner together, and we should not go shopping together because seriously, we'll order everything on the menu and we will convince each other to buy like anything. It's a really bad habit of us, but anyhow, going now. So excited. I'm so excited. And like, I know this feels crazy. I've been working hard. So I'm excited and I will bring you guys along, of course. Guys, Sarah made her big purchase at Cartier. Very exciting. So we're having like such a bad influence day.
We are.
But it's okay. It's fine. It's a good Sunday activity. Now we're at Hermes. I popped into Chloe, tried on a few things, didn't love. And then honestly, Jacquemus had really cute stuff, but I couldn't commit. So now we're in Hermes, original plan. And I'm really hoping they have the navy, because I think it'd be really, really cute. And it's almost like imagine the navy with like jeans and a tee, the navy with like a cute little easy flowy dress. Like I feel like that's very, very me. So anyway, trying things on and so excited.